Absolutely, I want it, huh? Robbie gets my Blooming Flower Award. He was a little seed too, that was just planted in the ground when he first came here. And I tell you what, he has bloomed and blossomed. Anyone who knows have picked up and things have watched him grow from the time he first came here to who he is now, especially his words. Just, you can see his demeanor with the kid. I mean, he can fit in. He might be 2, but he thinks he's 5. So he is a Blooming Flower Award, and it has been so much, and we just forget how much we have to learn at this age. Yes. And he's going to learn so much more next year. There is an R for Robbie. There is an R. And Robbie is out of this world, too. Ooh. Yes. That is chocolate. You need to ask Mama about opening that chocolate. Okay, John, you're next. All right, John gets my award.